My name is Carolina and I'm going to talk about comparing technology. Well, first we have the devices that I choose a smartphone and a tablet. I think a tablet is heavier than a smartphone because a tablet is bigger and contains more things inside. And the smartphone is lighter because its pieces are smaller. Well, the tablet is bigger than the smartphone because we can see its size, like in the image. If you've seen a tablet, you will realize that it's bigger than a smartphone, although there are a few exceptions. Well, the smartphone is cheaper than a tablet because a tablet is bigger, has more memory, and other things that a smartphone maybe doesn't have. Well, talking about the software, I choose Microsoft PowerPoint, and Prezi. Well, I think Microsoft PowerPoint is more complete than the software Prezi because PowerPoint contains more designs and tools that Prezi doesn't have. Well, Microsoft PowerPoint is more practical than Prezi because, for example, in PowerPoint, it's easy to save a file that in Prezi, but in Prezi you have to download the file and it's more difficult, I know. In my experience, I have problems with Prezi. Well, I think PowerPoint is better than Prezi because Prezi has more disadvantages and it isn't complete at all. Talking about apps, we have Gmail and Outlook. I think Gmail is more helpful than Outlook because in my experience it's more personal Gmail and for me it's easy to use Gmail. Well, I think Outlook is more difficult than Gmail because in Outlook the order of the tools is complicated. In fact, when I started using Outlook, I didn't know how to send an email. I think Gmail is slower a little bit than Outlook because the emails take longer to send, specifically if it's a lot of files or information. Well, talking about the social media, we have Instagram and Facebook. Instagram is more modern than Facebook because Instagram was created in 2010 and Facebook in 2004. Instagram is more attractive than Facebook because Instagram has filters to use and Facebook don't have. Well, Facebook is more important than Instagram because many people have Facebook. It's easy to the people create an account of Facebook than for Instagram. For example, of a business, it's more accessible that you find it in Facebook. Well, here we can see the graphic that the persons use Facebook. And that's all. Thank you.